Is your vegetable garden or ornamental plants under attack by insects and disease? Bonide neem oil is 3 garden products in one: a multi-purpose fungicide, a miticide, and a multi-purpose insecticide for use on flowers, roses, vegetables, fruits, herbs, indoor houseplants, or even trees and shrubs. Neem oil is derived from the seed of the neem tree, is approved for organic gardening, and can be used right up to the day of harvest. Neem oil works in 3 ways: by killing the egg, the larva, and the adult stages of insects like aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, and more, while also preventing fungal attacks like black spot, powdery mildew, and rust. Simply spray the ready-to-use formula onto plant leaves, including under the leaf, and stems, being sure to get thorough coverage. Reapply every 7 to 14 days as needed to gain control. Neem oil also makes a great dormant spray to help protect your garden throughout the seasons. Bonide neem oil is the approved for organic gardening way to gain control of insects and diseases on vegetables, fruits, flowers, and ornamental plants. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.